Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can host a party in your house in Heartopia. So if you go to your watch, you'll see that there is a party section here, and you are going to then throw a party. I've only done one, which is a tea party. You can also add pictures to it. I'll just do like this cat picture. That's funny. You can also friends, welcome to my party, invite friends only, or only you can invite players. I'm not going to press any of them. I'll just throw a party here and confirm. And here, I don't know if you need people to be in it. Okay, you need people to be in it. And then after that, you'll start now. I'll just cook up some food and hopefully somebody shows up because I need I need somebody to join me for like my fashion wave like task. Sorry, I'm like trying to figure out what I'm trying to say. Here you can start inviting people and hope for the best they join your party. I'm just gonna invite random people because I feel like I don't have to invite them that much. It's going to take up some, oh, okay. What? Some coins. Oh my gosh, Kitty Sweet Babe, thank you very much. I'm gonna give you a roll cake because you're coming to my party. And they don't even have to be here. You can just start it. Is she even going to my party? Like, no. That's fine. I can just start it, to be honest. It says tea party has started, so people need to join your party for you to like start it. So I am going to take pictures now because I need it for my fashion wave task here. And yeah, that's how you can start a party in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!